Have you ever seen a sentence that just keeps going and going without stopping? That's a run-on sentence. Here are 3 ways we can fix a run-on sentence. Let's read this run-on sentence. I like ice cream. I eat it every day. It's a run-on because the sentence keeps going without taking a punctuation breath. It needs a period, a comma, and a conjunction, or a semicolon to fix it. First, I can use a period to separate it into 2 complete sentences. I like ice cream, period. I eat it every day. The second way is to use a comma conjunction. The conjunction I will use is and. I like ice cream, comma, and I eat it every day. Finally, the third way to correct this run-on is to add a semicolon in the middle. I like ice cream, semicolon, I eat it every day. Use a semicolon when you have 2 complete sentences about the same idea, and you want the sentences to feel strongly connected without using a word like and or but. Semicolons are like a strong pause, not a full stop, not a little comma, but something in between. Now it's your turn. Read the sentence and write how you would correct this run-on sentence. We made cookies. They were chocolate chip. Here are the ways we can fix this run-on. We made cookies, period. They were chocolate chip. We made cookies, comma, and they were chocolate chip. We made cookies, semicolon. They were chocolate chip. Here, both sentences are about cookies, so you can use a semicolon. It started raining. We ran inside quickly. How would you correct this? We can say, it started raining, period. We ran inside quickly. Or, it started raining, comma, so we ran inside quickly. Next, I like summer, my brother likes winter. This can be corrected as, I like summer, period. My brother likes winter. Or, I like summer, comma, but my brother likes winter. I rode my bike to the park. I played on the slide and the swings. Here's one way of fixing this run-on. I rode my bike to the park, period. I played on the slide and the swings. Here's another way. I rode my bike to the park, comma, and I played on the slide and the swings. Dad wanted to go to the movies. Mom just wanted to stay home. Here's how I can fix it. Dad wanted to go to the movies, period. Mom just wanted to stay home. Next, I can say, Dad wanted to go to the movies, comma, but Mom just wanted to stay home. We played soccer. We got very tired, but we had fun. Here's a way to fix this sentence. We played soccer, period. We got very tired, comma, but we had fun. Here's another way. We played soccer, comma, and we got very tired, comma, but we had fun. I read a book. It was very funny. I laughed a lot. This can be corrected as, I read a book, period. It was very funny, period. I laughed a lot. Or, I read a book, comma, and it was very funny, period. I laughed a lot. Here's a third way. I read a book, period. It was very funny, comma, and I laughed a lot. Great job, everyone! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more grammar videos.